Government has been putting in place to curb this menace. Illegal logging and illegal mining continue to pose a threat to our forests. This means that government cannot do it alone. We must all get involved and support government to come to grips with these matters. My chiefs know that I've been speaking about this, and I'm not happy with chiefs in the Manso area where galamzey has taken over the land. And I say to them that if you sit there and you claim that you don't know what is happening, then you are not fit to be a chief over there. So these are matters that we're going to take it up again. And I don't care whose goals it is, because we have to enforce it. And I have to start with my chiefs first, and then government has to deal with the other ones. We all have to take matters seriously to be able to bring this to a closure, because I cannot accept that. I'm going to take a drive around those areas, in the Manso to Manso area and all those things to see. I've gotten reports about what is happening, and I'm going to do that. And if I finish with that, all the chiefs around that area may have to answer to as to why that has happened. I was alarmed to hear during the minister's press briefing a couple of weeks ago that forest reserves in the Bakwai Forest District, including the Oda River, Subin Shelter Belt, and the Pampram Forest Reserves are the most difficult reserve to control due to activities of gun-wielding illegal miners and loggers. This cannot continue. I have therefore charged the chiefs in these areas to work with the Forestry Commission and the Ministry to find ways of ridding these forests of the illegal miners and loggers. And I know some of them have benefited from these illegal mining. It is a fact that we have to accept and appreciate. Government side too, I know there are accusations over there. They also have to fight it. We all have to fight it. We cannot hide under anything by saying that we don't know what is happening. We all know what is happening, and we have to fight this one. I returned from London, where I attended the coronation of King Charles III, whose #1 legacy is perhaps his commitment to afforestation, reforestation, and the fight against climate change. Interestingly, my discussions with him were on land reclamation in Ghana, and we had some private discussions that he has accepted to collaborate with me for us to do that.